I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning everybody. Stephanie Cameron, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily dark pool whispers for Friday, TGIF, April 30th. If you've had a really good month, take today off. Trust me. Don't mess it up on the last day of the month. Now, it's been actually a really good month for us. And we are going to map out this trade on the SPY first. Yeah, we had a big dark pool level yesterday at 417.13. Yeah, 8 million, a brand new level. Kind of looks like we might have a little mini hanging man, right? Possibly yesterday. Yep. Look at the higher volume too. Yeah, so today is very significant to this candle. Yeah, if we close below the print, below the 8 EMA, yeah, you definitely want to put on some protection there. So watch that level carefully. Today, though, for the day trade, bullish above 420, bear below 416.80. Let's head on over to the Russell, who also had a pretty big level yesterday. The IWM, bullish above 229. Bear below 226. The level yesterday was 228.78. 2.8 million. I've underlined it right here. All right. Anything bolded is a recent dark pool print as well. Yeah. So yeah, the Russell kind of stuck in between a lot of moving averages here. So you see that all my targets, right? The 15 EMA, the 20 EMA, the 50 simple moving average, the 30. Yeah, those are all, let me just zoom in on that. Yeah, just kind of show you that. These are all these, beautiful moving averages. Their algos loaded to buy at each and every one of them. So it could be choppy. Yeah, if we do start to head down, unless it's a meltdown, then we kind of go to them, go sideways a little bit, then drop to the next one. Normally, we push up, but there's so many right there. So I think everybody's watching that, right? Yep, I certainly am. So those are your levels for the Russell. Let's head on over to the QQQs. QQQ. Yep, you can see less traffic on the Qs. We do have that kind of hanging man scenario as well. Bullish above 340. They're not performing very well after their earnings reports. Yeah, they're not liking the earnings. Bear below 338, and we did just go below that right now. Looks like volume's coming in. And the reason it stopped there for a little while is, right, we have two moving averages right here, that blue and orange. Yep, that's the 15 EMA and the 20 simple moving average in orange. Yeah, so algos are loaded to buy there, but eventually they don't want to buy anymore, and we'll drop down to the next one. All right, let's go to the E-minis, the futures. Let's check those out. Futures were bearish below 41.75. We didn't get there yet. And bullish above 41.97.50 for the E-minis. Let's watch and see what that does. It's not looking so good right now, though. Let's go to the Nasdaq Futures. Yep, showing some weakness as well. Bearish below 13,800. Bullish above 13,950. Let's head on over to the oil futures. Give me 1 second to pull that up. Yeah, oil futures weak this morning. ExxonMobil and Chevron reported, and so far they're really not doing too much, down slightly. But not that much movement compared to the massive oil prints that we've been getting. Yeah, so this will be interesting to see which direction they go over the next couple weeks. Definitely gear up for a big move, though. These were monster prints. But today for the day trade, bullish above 64.80 and bear below 63.50. And we did go below. And by the way, I'm using the June 21 contracts. Yeah. So let's go to the gold futures. All right, gold is just shy of the pivot today. It's been quite choppy lately. Bullish above 17.75.20 cents and bear below 17.65 and is trading in between those. Let's head on over to Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin, really trying to hold on to that 55,000 level on these futures, by the way, which are May futures. And we're going to be bullish above 55,000 and bear below 54,000 for those Bitcoin futures. All right, let's now check out the individual stocks. We'll start with NEO. After earnings, not liking them. Great short trade on this. Yeah, we just hit our first target. Yep, we just hit it and bounced. We went to 37.44. There's definitely more room here till we get to the 200 simple moving average. All right, so if you missed that first move, no problem. But I know a lot of my traders in the Java pit trade this pre-market. So yeah, there's still more room to go. But yeah, this looks pretty bad. Now we've already hit it once back here on April 16th. So not as many buyers are going to be there. There'll definitely be some, but less buyers the second time around. I talk about that a lot in my book, Dark Pool Secrets. So if you haven't gotten that, go ahead and go grab a copy. It's free if you live in the U.S. You just got to pay for shipping. Yeah, second time around rule is one of my favorites. Let's go to Apple. Apple not liking its earnings, negative afterwards. That is bearish. Institutions could sell today big time like they did on Intel, right? Like they did on Microsoft. Yeah, this is another one of my rules. After earnings, if stocks have climbed pretty high and they don't like their earnings, I don't care what the earnings are, but if they don't, the price action is bearish after earnings. Usually institutions sell the second day. So we don't want to try to bottom fish. The third day, if it makes a higher high, higher low, volume coming in, especially dark pool, we close above it, then we can take a shot at the bottom. But until that happens, no, you don't want to catch a falling knife. But let's go to Apple back there, and we're going to be bullish above 133.25, bear below 131.50. We're coming down to that right now. Amazon. Yeah, Amazon was looking really good. Let's see if it can hold major levels. This is another moving average I use on my 5-minute chart. I call peanut butter and jelly. All right, this brown and red, the 200 simple, which is red, which is my jelly, and the 200 exponential, brown, which is my PBJ. So it's peanut butter and jelly. And, a lot of times it'll come down there and bounce. Yeah, 2 computers loaded to buy. If we can't hold that, that's when it could get really ugly. So that's what we want to watch for. But bullish above 35.60 if we can pull back up again. And bear below 35.40, but really 35.20. Yeah, that is a really key level to see if we fill that gap in. Well, it's not really that big of a gap to 35.14. 45 cents. We'll see. Let's head on over to Twitter. So we talked about this one in the options boot camp yesterday. Yeah, we were below a major dark pool level, which was bearish. I know a lot of the traders put some trades on in this, so hopefully that works out really nicely for you guys. We're going to be bullish if you're not in it. I prefer to wait till afterwards and trade it. But Twitter above 58.50 just for a retracement trade. If not, bear below 56.50. All right, which we're heading down there right now. Microsoft bullish above 251.25 and bear below 248.50. Yeah, so we're watching this 30 simple moving average on the daily chart, the green one. That's really key. Yeah, if we close below that, look out below, we'll most likely go down to the 50. So let's see if they hammer it or not for the swing trade. Let's head on over to Facebook, which, definitely has this hanging man up top. We'll see or kind of shooting star looking candle. We will be bullish above 329 and bear below 325 for a retracement trade back down to support. Mara bullish above 35.50 today. Yeah, kind of stuck in between the 4 and the 8 exponential moving average. Bullish above 35.50, bear below 34.25. And Tesla, yeah, another one where institutions sold after the earnings. Bullish above 687.50 for a retracement trade and bear below 662.50. CCL, yeah, this is a really ugly combination, you guys. Look at this candle right here. Yeah, look at that. Bearish engulfing. Look at the volume too yesterday. Yeah, selling pretty, came in pretty hard there. Yep, and we're below this could be a good swing tonight. Below the 8 EMA. So I'll only be bullish above 28. That's really high up. There are a lot of pivots and things. I didn't like anything before that. But the bear trade looks amazing. Below 27. We had some dark pool activity at 27.02. So let's see if, and we just actually came down and tagged 27. Let's see if we close below that, but it could be a good day trade as well. So FCX is our next one. And we did have a big dark pool level at 38.20. Yeah, we're finally below that. It's been a while. So watch this also for a swing trade as well as a day trade today. Bear below 37.75. And bullish only above 39.06. It's pretty high up there just in case. You never know. This market is crazy. It's good to be prepared on both sides. There you have it, you guys. Those are your whispers for April 30th. Yeah, definitely looking bearish right now. Until next time, happy trading. Sell in May and go away. Could happen. We'll see. Have a great weekend, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret.